Today's Tuesday tip is about cooking soft shell crabs. So once you have the crab nice and cleaned, you've cut the gills, cut the front part of the face off. First process is dip it in some milk and egg. Once you dip it in that, we'll dip it in some fish fry. Get it coated well. We have our grease already hot, set at about 350, 375. And we'll take this crab and we're going to lay him in the grease. And watch out, because sometimes it does pop a little bit when it first goes in the grease. But in just a few minutes, you're going to have a fresh soft shell crab.